Today we are chatting Nostr 101. We just heard a compelling case for why to use Nostr, but how the hell do you do it? I'm sure many of you are wondering. So I'm going to recommend just a starting point for you guys, an application that can easily get you started. I want you to go onto your app store right now, and you're going to download Primal. So you can search Primal, Nostr. It should pop up. It looks something like this. Why might this be a good first step for you to check out for Nostr? Well, it is a very familiar kind of Twitter-like feed experience. You can create a profile in seconds. It has a built-in Bitcoin wallet because it's not just social, it is monetary as well. It's mobile-friendly. You can also use it on a computer in your regular browser, and you can curate your feeds by topic and follow specific things. It is a great first experience. It's available on iPhone and Android. Now, important to know about Nostr. It is not like your typical social app. You're not logging in with an email and a password. You can't be banned or removed from it. Instead of having a login credential, you have a key to your digital identity. You can have as many keys as you want. You can have multiple different digital identities if you please, but it looks something like this. You have a public key. This is where people can find you and know where you are. It can look a little complicated sometimes. Other times, it can be very accessible and easy to find. Follow me. But you also have a private key. What does the private key do? This is hidden because that is the credential that allows me to post as me. I have the control to post something, and people can prove that it was me or the person that holds my key that said it and did it. So instead of logins, public keys, private keys, or npubs and nsecs, S-E-C. On Nostr, you can easily post, you can follow friends and interesting people and topics and feeds, and you can get Bitcoin tips or zaps, as they're known, on what you post. You can also zap other people. Here's an example, Ross Ulbricht, when he first, he's now on Nostr, and here, decentralization equals freedom. Some examples of types of content. It's not just a Twitter-like feed. You can do a lot of things with Nostr, and here's the Financial Freedom Report over on, yes, let's give a round of applause for the Financial Freedom Report. And so you can post long-form content. You can view it easily in Primal. You can have lots of different things here. Again, other social mediums, they can censor ban users. How many people have had posts taken down or censored or prevented from being shared? How many people have had issues with social media, lost an account? I see hands going up. And if you are an activist, I'm sure you're no stranger to that. You can not only have your censorship-resistant posts and content going up, but you can also fundraise directly in the same applications in which you do this. Just as an example, I wanted to let people on Nostr know that this was going to take place. And I said, come, zap me like you mean it. I'm going to be doing a presentation in Oslo telling people about Nostr. And just to prove how censorship-resistant this is, I couldn't even fix my typo in there, if you can spot it. I can't take it down. So anyways, that is forever. But this was when I first put it up a few days ago. And since then, I just checked before I came up, 213 people sent me varying amounts of Bitcoin into the built-in Bitcoin wallet, which, of course, are then being donated to the HRF. This doesn't just apply to Primal. If you create your profile on Primal, those same keys can be used to migrate to lots of different types of applications that allow you to post, blog, stream, podcast, chat, hire, and plenty more. These are just a handful of apps. Amethyst is awesome. We have lots of different ways to do things and to stream. And I encourage you all, I'll get out of the way here, everybody please do scan this QR code. This will take you to a step-by-step tutorial so that you can set up and use Nostr today. That's my time. Thank you, guys.